So there is a flood advisory that's in effect, a coastal flood advisory that has been in effect and still in effect. And since yesterday, there's supposed to have been some type of storm, and it rained a little bit yesterday evening on to like maybe 6 this morning, and it's very, very windy. They said that the winds would be 46 miles per hour. Um, and as you can see, my cherry blossom tree is all waving. And I didn't even have the pool right there, but literally it flipped over with water in it. Okay? It literally flipped over with water in it. Wow. Um, and if you can look back there, you will see it looks like my chair has been tossed from the wind. My two trees, there's one, and then the other one is laying there. I'm surprised that my fountain didn't flip over, or my haven sign that I made. But while I'm here sitting and waiting for this so-called storm, which it rained and then for some reason it stopped. Oh, wow. It flipped over my chairs over here. I don't know if you can see, like right there, my chairs. It flipped over my chairs. Yeah, that's the narcissist home. Uh, but yeah. So since I am here in the house, I have washed thoroughly my hair, and I have dye in it currently, and I'm going to braid my hair since I have all this time on my hand. Not really. Um, since it's supposed to be a storm and you're supposed to stay in and be safe and all of these things. Swing, honey, swinging by itself. You see that? The swing is swinging by itself.